Hi, it's Dr. Epstein. I'm with a wonderful result, a little over 1,400 FUE grafts. A gentleman had of Asian ethnicity, had a high hairline. You can see here. You can see his hairline was quite high, and what we did was we brought his hairline down more or less like that with 1,460 or so grafts. Here he is after, and you can see this is his eyebrows. These are all transplants basically from here forward. So these are, we were able to basically, his hairline was here. We brought it all down here. You can see how nice that looks. A nice and irregular hairline. Turn this way. And you can see on this side as well, just really looks, really came out pretty. And reasonable, actually natural looking density. FUE was done, so we removed the grafts from the back of his head. We did a partial shave on him, just shaving the lower back of the head. Here he is 1 year out. Anyway, this is Dr. Epstein with an FUE result. Thank you very much.